Welcome to David, the bustling capital of Paricu province in western Panama. Known for its vibrant local markets, proximity to volcanoes and beaches, and international airport. Let's explore the top 10 hotels in David, Panama, each described with location, outstanding amenities, and pricing to suit every traveler's need. The first one is Hotel Ciudad de David. Located in the city's business district right beside Parque Cervantes, this upscale hotel features amenities like a large outdoor pool, sauna, gym, and complimentary shuttle service to the airport. Rooms are modern and spacious, many with balconies offering city views. The hotel's elegant restaurant and attentive service make it a top pick for families and business guests. The average price is $90 to $100 per night. The second one is Hampton by Hilton David. Positioned in the heart of David's commercial area and just a short 5-kilometer drive from the airport, Hampton by Hilton offers clean, comfortable rooms with free Wi-Fi, hot breakfast, and air shuttle service. The rooms are well lit with work desks and plush beddings ideal for business travelers or transit stays. Friendly service and consistent reliability make it a trust favorite. Average price is $85 to $95 per night. The third one is Aranjuez Hotel and Suites. Just minutes away from Enrique Malik International Airport and nested in a claim part of town, Aranjuez Hotel and Restaurant features spacious and stylish rooms and international breakfast buffet and meeting facilities. The service is warm and professional, and many guests appreciate the smooth check-ins and transfers. Well suited for travelers seeking convenience with quality. Average price per night is $75 to $85. The fourth hotel is Grand Hotel Nacional. Located in the lively Barrio El Carmen, this resort-style hotel has amenities like a casino, swimming pool, cinema room, and a full-service restaurant serving local and international cuisines. The tropical garden setting adds charm and relaxation. It is well suited for guests wanting on-site entertainment and downtown access. Average price is $70 to $80 per night. The next one is Hotel Puerta del Sol. Located near Central David, this mid-range hotel combines comfort with essential services, free Wi-Fi, cozy on-site dining, room service, and laundry facilities. Rooms are tidy and well maintained, providing great value for solo travelers or couples who need dependent amenities in a convenient location. Average price is $55 to $65 per night. The next one is Hotel Castilla. Just across from Plaza Miguel de Cervantes, Hotel Castilla offers downtown convenience and panoramic city views. Its rooms are spacious and simply decorated with thoughtful essentials, and the public parking is a plus. Known for friendly staff and clean interior, it is perfect for those seeking central location without overspending. Average price is $50 to $60 per night. The next hotel is Hotel Residential Panamericana. A short walk from downtown David, this welcoming guest house offers a shared kitchen facilities, cozy private rooms, and 24-hour reception. It's favorite for budget-conscious travelers who appreciate personal touch and acclaim residential ambience. It is clean, simple layout, and helpful hosts make for stress-free stays. Average price is $35 to $45 per night. The next one is Hotel Boutique Patempa. Situated in a leafy neighborhood near the city center, this charming boutique property features elegant rooms, lush gardens, and a refreshing outdoor pool. Renowned for warm hospitality and attention to details, it is ideal for couples or travelers seeking a tranquil upscale base close to urban amenities. Average price is $70 to $90 per night. The second last is Hotel Leras. Just about a mile from downtown, Hotel Leras offer apartment-style accommodations with kitchen teas, provide balconies and generous living space perfect for families or extended stays. Guests praise the independent layout and quiet neighborhood along with the option to cook meals in room. Average price is $45 to $55 per night. The last one is Hotel F Sur Inn. Located near Central David, this budget-friendly hotel provides clean, air-conditioned rooms, free Wi-Fi, and essential amenities, offering straightforward comfort at great value. Its peaceful environment and close proximity to shops and restaurants make it a solid pick for cost-conscious travelers exploring this city. Average price is $40 to $50 per night. That's wrap up our guide to the top 10 hotels in David, Panama. From luxurious stay near the airport to budget gyms and relaxed apartments perfect for longer stays. Thanks for watching.